Good Monday, everyone. I hope you had a great weekend and that your week is off to a great start. We have some showers and thunderstorms that'll be moving in a little bit later on today, so which sets the pattern for an unsettled week, which we'll talk more about in just a moment. Looking at our current pollen levels, so yesterday 9.7, and this tops out at 12. So yeah, those of us who are strangling to death all weekend on pollen and coughing and sneezing and whatnot, yeah, that there's a reason for that. Pollen was terrible. Poplar, maple, juniper are the top culprits right now. But you see the 5-day forecast for pollen down there below. Today is the worst day of the week, and that's because we haven't had any rain in a while, and all this pollen's accumulated. Rain comes through today, drops us down. Look at that, 7.9 and then 7.1 on Wednesday. And again, this goes from 0 to 12. So starts creeping back up again by the end of the week, but I suspect that forecast will change from the pollen folks because we have more rain showers coming. So fingers crossed that keeps that pollen level lower. USA mortgage level of concern for today, we're level 1. It's not a meteorologist mark weather alert day because most of the storms will stay non-severe. Could have a strong storm, maybe even a brief severe storm somewhere in the region, but it's not enough to be overly concerned about. Mostly non-severe storms. Premier generators bring us our threat outlook, just reiterating. Widespread severe weather is actually not expected all week. Even though we're in a very unsettled pattern, it looks like it's going to be mostly April showers. An isolated strong storm is possible today, though. Clearview, Closet, and Blind brings us our 5-day forecast today. Showers and thunderstorms likely. Highs in the low 70s. Tuesday, Wednesday, 50-50 shots for showers and thunder showers. Highs in the mid to upper 70s. And then Thursday and Friday, we see rain chances increase once again, causing showers and thunderstorms to be likely. And it starts getting a little windier on Friday. Winds are pretty relaxed Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. A little breezy today, a little breezy on Friday. But not too bad. Nothing too concerning there with the wind speeds. And mild temperatures throughout this 5-day forecast. Rainfall total still looking like about a half inch today, lower amounts tomorrow and Wednesday, and then ticking back up to around a quarter inch or so by Thursday and Friday. Nothing too concerning in the extended outlook just yet. Don't have to highlight anything too much. Looks like the severe threat is really starting to shift more westward toward the southern plains, as it often does this time of the year. But I'll certainly keep an eye on things. On this day in weather history, brought to us by Rainfall Travel, in 1990, easterly winds and temperatures near zero produced wind chill readings as cold as 50 degrees below zero for the Spring Festival at Barrow, Alaska. Yeah, probably should have scheduled that later. 1972, excuse me, NASA's Apollo 16 landed on the moon, the 5th crewed lunar landing of the Apollo program. Astronauts John Young and Charlie Duke conducted a 3-day lunar stay, collecting data, and Young also took a far ultraviolet photo of Earth, which was later colorized. The mission also included the deployment of the first moon-based observatory and ultraviolet camera. Interesting. You folks have a wonderful Monday and keep looking up. And for more weather information, meteorologistmark.com.